In the increasingly digital landscape of pharmaceutical manufacturing, electronic systems are integral to nearly every aspect of production, quality control, and record keeping. Ensuring the integrity and reliability of the data within these systems is paramount, and a critical tool for achieving this is the audit trail. Understanding the purpose and requirements of audit trails in pharmaceutical electronic systems is essential for maintaining data integrity and regulatory compliance. Why are audit trails so important in pharmaceutical electronic systems? An audit trail is a chronologically ordered record of system activities that documents when, where, why, and by whom changes were made to data within the system. In the highly regulated pharmaceutical industry, audit trails provide a critical layer of accountability and transparency. They allow for the reconstruction of events, the identification of data alterations, and the verification that electronic records are accurate, reliable, and trustworthy. This is crucial for demonstrating compliance with regulations like 21 CFR Part 11 in the United States and Annex 11 in the European Union. A robust audit trail in a pharmaceutical electronic system captures a wide range of activities. This includes the creation, modification, or deletion of electronic records, changes to system configurations, access attempts, and the execution of critical system functions. For each event, the audit trail should record the date and time of the action, the user ID of the person who performed the action, a description of the change made, including the old and new values, where applicable, and the reason for the change. It's crucial that audit trails are secure, tamper-proof, and readily available for review by authorized personnel and regulatory inspectors. The design and implementation of audit trails in pharmaceutical electronic systems require careful consideration. The system should be configured to automatically capture relevant activities without manual intervention. Audit trail data should be stored separately from the active data to prevent unauthorized modifications. Access to audit trail records should be restricted to authorized personnel, and the system should have mechanisms to detect any attempts to alter or delete audit trail entries. Regular review of audit trails is also essential to identify any suspicious activity or potential data integrity issues. Furthermore, audit trails must be retained for a period consistent with regulatory requirements and the record retention policies of the pharmaceutical company. When implementing or validating electronic systems, the adequacy and functionality of the audit trail are key considerations. Demonstrating that the audit trail accurately captures all relevant events and provides a reliable history of data changes is a critical aspect of ensuring data integrity and maintaining compliance in a modern pharmaceutical manufacturing environment. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.